laid down. See if we can put some shine on it. It's not bad. Just trying to do it whenever it gets a little cooled off during the day, because there's too much pollen still, I would say, and the heat is just a little ridiculous. So it does have like a little metallic in it. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. It has like blue metallic in it. Yeah, first coat's down. Let's go wait for it to dry up, hit our second coat. Alright, so the next day came, and me and my father, we just couldn't wait to put this tailgate on, so let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So personally, I think it actually looks really nice. It actually matched up really well. The paint actually matched up very nice. I personally can't tell the difference. Maybe just a little bit of flaw, you know. Maybe it has a little bit more orange peel than the factory, because, you know, factory still has orange peel, just not as much. But a lot of areas, it's very nice and light glass. Very few trash. So we'll save the buffing for another day, but I'm very excited the way it looks like. Also got these painted as well. Let me flip this around. There we go. It'll look really nice as well. Here's the other one. But yeah, they turned out really nice. I'm loving it. So soon, one of our buddies to pull the frame, make it nice and straight, then we can go ahead and slap this on. We're just still waiting for this upper piece for the rear bumper, pretty much 100% complete. So can't wait to have this thing on the road. It's looking awesome. Very happy that this build has come to pretty much an end. But the upgrades probably have not. We might be doing a rack on the back. We don't know yet. Still gonna be installing some steps, as you guys already know. But stay tuned for those videos. And if you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button. Hit the little bell for post notifications of other builds to come. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
They had a couple of speed bumps.
наш третій хлоп, то щоб в цьому, you know, make decision. Ви як? Да. Нормально. Yeah. Отлично. Isn't it good? Yeah. Nice. Це перший раз задом давав трейлером. Я думаю, що непогано.
Так, тако добре, не треба більше, бо воно буде потім там погано. Виливається. Найс. Тому що коли ти потім заводиш, всасує з вихлопної, може піти всередину.
Понял. А так то воно кожен раз чуть-чуть.
Так викидає постійно.
Понял.
Лучика тарабани півчаса, але...
So cool. It's okay. Нормально. Це навіть не моя, то сусіда. То баб. Він каже, тобі треба шапку. Окей, візьму шапку. Я висір, не пишайте, що таке. Шапка.
Ото, що Павлі казав, воно... Цей дрейф, цей фишстик той, що електрики пользують.
Понял.
Я вдома його почищу. Так, ну, в принципі, нормально.
Да.
Можна покататися.
Yeah.
Я навіть туди багато не буду кірі робити, а то скрию лаком, поставлю трольний мотор і все. Лаком покрию.